Alright folks, so this is the last wine kit for today, the Merlot, and what I'm going to be doing is transferring it off of the top carboy to a new cleaned and sanitized carboy. Now I'm going to show you something I do sometimes. At this point, it's the time to add in the metabisulfite and sorbate. So what I'm going to do this time, instead of filling it first, and I've done this before, I'm just going to add it to the carboy. So add both of these to the carboy. And put the wine in on top of it. This way it mixes as it's going. Alternatively, you could put it in on top and stir it with a spoon. We're going to stir it anyway with the spoon afterwards, but just felt like doing this for today. So I'm putting the siphon in, and I'm going to start to transfer. Now as I put the tip into the carboy, I'm going to not agitate. I'm going to be very careful as I'm doing this. Start the transfer going. And as I'm doing that, I'm slowly putting the siphon, in without stirring. So it hits all the way bottom. You can see the setup. It's going all the way to the bottom. And we're going to This is the sparkleoid powder that I use in place of chitosan in all of my winemaking. Now I use this because the chitosan, again, is made from shellfish, and I try to avoid shellfish for folks that have shellfish allergies. I have another whole video on how to mix this up. You can just follow the directions on the side, but I do have another whole video on it, and that's what I choose to use. While that is transferring, I want to make you aware of two things. The clarifiers would be the next step. I'm going to stir this up, and then I would normally be putting in the clarifiers. But this kit comes with a two-part thing. This Kiscasol and chitosan. Now, chitosan is a shellfish derivative, and I'm not going to be using this. So if you don't have issues with shellfish, you could certainly use these two things as the directions on the packet says. You put this one in first, stir it up, put that one in second, stir it up. But I'm going to be using a product called Sparkleoid instead, due to, shellfish allergies. So we're going to do that after we move this over. Then I'm going to stir that with the back end of a spoon. Right, here is my spoon. I'm going to be putting it in the back end into this and stirring this stuff up that I already have in there, and then I'm going to be adding the other things. Alright, so I have the back end of the spoon in. I'm just going to stir that around for a good 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to pour in my sparkleoid. Alright, so now that I got my sparkleoid added, I'm going to just put the airlock back on and wait 10 to 14 days. And in 10 to 14 days, I'll be ready to siphon off of this carboy and into another container and then bottle it. This one, if you notice, I am not worrying about topping up. 10 to 14 days I'll be fine. Not worried about it at all. So I'm not going to be topping this one up, and be ready to bottle in about 2 weeks. So stay tuned for another exciting episode where we're going to get ready to bottle that. And taste, which is the best part. Alright guys, take care. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my video channel here on YouTube. And definitely check out my blogs, www.cookingitalianrecipes.com with the dashes in the middle. Or my other one on winemaking, howtomakehomemade.biz. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And have an awesome day.